everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do another Art Tip Tuesday, so let's get to it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back. And today our art tip is, if you find you've done something in your sketchbook that you really like, but it's not on the right paper. So here I've just kind of sketched a rose out just with pencil, and I'm kind of liking it, but I don't like all my lines. So I'm going to take a Sharpie and go over the lines that I like. Now I just did this out of my head, and I'm not going over the lines exactly, but I like this sketch and I'd like to put it onto paper, onto watercolor paper. So I'm going to sketch what I like out, and I'm making my lines jagged on purpose because you know that's how a rose is. It's just nothing straight. Some of it's curved, some of it may have gotten eaten by a bug. So I'm going to go over this the way I want. I'm going to go over these. This is not an exact from a reference. This is just out of my head. And if you don't like to draw, I'll put this on my website so you can download it and trace it if you want. And you know, not everybody likes to draw. I personally don't like to draw. I like to paint, but I've learned to draw some. So, because I do think it helps, and it's not a God-gifted talent. I had to practice and learn, and I am not great, but I know enough. Okay, so there you go. You can draw over that. Now, you can transfer this. You don't need transfer paper. All you need to do is go over the back with pencil. I'm just going to do the rose part. Then you can go and trace over your lines onto watercolor paper or any other colored paper. Say you're doing colored pencil and you want to put it on or pastel or oil pastel, or acrylic, and want to put it on a canvas. So you can do this onto any surface. If you want to do acrylic though, you might want to put chalk on the back of it. And there, see, you got a trace. Didn't get the middle part there. There, now you got a trace, and you can erase those marks if you want. So it's just like pencil. So there's your art tip for today. Don't mess with transfer paper. You've got everything you need. If you got a pencil and you're drawing, and you've got everything you need to transfer that. So thanks for joining me. Tune in next week for another art tip. Bye.